Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com. Let's take a look at this CATS Heaters automatic ether fluid injection system. Now this is designed to fit your 1975 to 1976 Cadillac Calais, Deville, and Fleetwood with the 8.2 liter V8 engine. Then your 1970 to 1976 Eldorado with the same engine. And then the 2005 to 2006 Dodge Ram 8.3 liter V10 engine. And then finally your 2003 to 2009 Viper with the same engine. Now on custom fit parts such as this injection system, I do recommend taking advantage of our vehicle fit guide here at etrailer.com. Just input the year, make, and model of your vehicle and our fit guide will confirm if this will work for you or if we have something comparable that will work for you. Now this ether fuel injection system is going to offer a hassle-free way to get fast, reliable startups in cold weather. Once activated, a measured shot of ether is vaporized and sent into your intake manifold. The vapor is going to serve as a catalyst for combustion, helping to ensure that your engine starts on the first try, even in cold temperatures. So this system is going to connect to your battery, and it only requires 6.5 volts to operate. Because you power it on with your vehicle instead of plugging it in, it is ideal for tractors, logging equipment, and other vehicles and machinery that can't be parked close to an outlet. So once this system is installed, there's really nothing else that you need to do to maintain the system other than change out the fuel canister, which will need to be done after just about 200 startups. So this system is designed to work with an 18-ounce canister of ether fast flash fuel. Of course, it's not included with this. And the ether start fuel injection system that we have here is automatically triggered when you turn the ignition in your vehicle. So there's not going to be any need for a separate button or a knob to be mounted inside of your vehicle for activation, which is nice. A thermostat is included to ensure that the ether will only be injected in conditions that call for it. So when you turn the ignition in your vehicle, the starter is going to send an electric current to the ether starts thermostat. If the ambient temperature is above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, then your engine should turn over normally and no ether will be dispensed. If it's below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the electrical current will continue to the actuating valve assembly where the ether will then be released from the fuel canister into a separate metering chamber. The chamber meters out from 5 to 6 cc's of liquid ether and disperses it through the nozzle, and the nozzle's built-in filter is going to vaporize the ether, which is then injected into the intake manifold as a vapor instead of a stream. So for the most effective and smoothest start, you just install this system so that the nozzle orifice is perpendicular to the manifold length. So this does include everything that you see here on my table before me. If you're wondering about the size of this plate, I measured it before our time together. The overall length is about 1 foot. The overall width is 4 inches. So everything that you need here to install. And I think that's going to wrap up our real quick look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.